Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential task: how to change your email on Patreon in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons, switching providers, or fixing a simple mistake, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Patreon account. Head over to the Patreon website or app and enter your current email and password. If you haven't logged in recently, this is your starting point. Once you're in, click on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings. This is where all your personal details are managed, so navigate carefully. In the Settings page, scroll down to the Account or Profile section. You'll see your current email address displayed. Look for an Edit button or link that says Change Email. Click on it to open the update form. Now, enter your new email address in the provided field. Double-check for typos to avoid any verification issues. Once you're sure, hit Save or Submit. Patreon will then send a verification email to your new address. Be on the lookout. Open your email inbox, find the verification message from Patreon, and click the link inside to confirm the change. This step is crucial for security, so don't skip it. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder or request to resend it from the settings page. And there you have it. Your email is now updated on Patreon. This process is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes. Remember, keeping your contact info current helps with notifications, payments, and account access. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.